Hi, I'm Ed Sobey with Kids Invents. This is the third week in our Energy Transfer Design Lab. This time we take the project one step farther along. If you remember last week, students made solar heaters, and what they did was they took water, measured the temperature, poured it into their solar heater, and then measured the temperature of the water coming out. And we hope that was higher. Hot water heaters, however, recirculate the water. They don't necessarily heat it once, but they keep adding energy to the water. And so here this week we have students making a recirculating solar heater. To do that, they will use a pump. So instead of pouring the water in, they will pump the water from a basin, and that pump will go up to the start of their solar heater and run through it. So they can let this run for several minutes and measure the temperature gain, the temperature increase over that time. Now, to do this, there are a couple little tricks here that you need to be familiar with. One is they're going to want to build some sort of structure to hold this up, and they can use cardboard or some other materials that we provide. The pump is a submersible pump, which means that this bottom piece has to be in the water. If it comes out of the water, the pump will be pushing air and it doesn't work, and then it's a little tricky, or it can be a little tricky to get it started. So they want to keep that bottom immersed in water. Secondly, you'll notice the leads on this pump are color-coded, so the red wants to go to the positive side of the battery, or the red coming out of the battery case, the black going to the negative. It won't work in the right direction if you reverse those leads. So with that little bit of background, they can get this pump working to pump the water up, recirculating the water there, hopefully gaining some heat on every pass through their system that they will then record with their thermometer, and will be able to see how good a job their solar heaters are doing. Thanks very much. Have fun.